So this video is going to take you through the process of downloading data from Words and then importing it through an Excel workbook called Datamaker and then into eVal. Before we go to Words to get that data, let's go first to Lundholm & Sloan. That's this website here, and specifically under the Software tab. And we're going to download the eVal workbook. I'm using Chrome, so it's got this download thing here. And I'm going to call it eVal 5. I'm going to replace that because I already had it. For some reason that seems to be stuck there. I don't know why. Also, I'm going to go back to over here and download the datamaker workbook. And that's here. Datamaker 2. Hit the return. I'm going to replace that as well. And I have both of these. I'm going to open both of those in Excel right now. This is the eVal, and this is datamaker. Within datamaker, for the moment, we're going to use the convert words output. You can do this by yourself if you want. I mean, you can pull in the data from the 10K and put it in here and use and create this standardized format. Or you can bring it in from other sources. We're going to be converting the words output. And we're going to follow this directions here very carefully. It says this template converts CompuStat data from Words to eVal 4, actually eVal 5 output. You will need a Words login, which you are hopefully getting, available at many business schools, including WSU. Go to the site below, select the most recent 5 years of available data, enter your ticker, and submit your query. Open the resulting output file in Excel. Typically you have to log in, but I was already logged in. And I'm going to do 2014 to 2018. And I'm going to put in the ticker symbol. And we're going to do Apple. And I know that that is AAPL. You can look it up. There's a lookup thing there where you can do the code lookup, or you can go online and look it up as well. And I'm going to hit Submit Query. And this will convert to this Excel sheet. I want to download that. I'm going to call it Apple. I already had one, but I'm going to replace that. Apple XLS. Okay. Now I'm going to open up Apple, and it says the file format and extension don't match. This file could be corrupted or unsafe. Unless you trust its source, don't open it. Do you want to open it anyway? And I do trust its source. I do believe in Words. And now I'm going to follow the instructions that are over here. It says copy cells A1 to I386 of the Words output file. That's this file over here. And paste below into A7 in I932. So I'm going to go over here, and then I'm going to go down to 386. Command C, or Control C if you're in Windows World. And then I'm going to put this over here, and I'm going to put this in place of what's already there, which was the Salesforce. And it copied it in here. And that seems to have worked. I can see that it actually worked there. And this yellow block is actually the data that goes into eVal. So this was an intermediate step. I'm going to go Control or Command C, and I'm going to go over to eVal, which is this eVal 5, go into financial statements. I'm going to go down here, and where it was Coles before, I'm going to type paste. And this is where it comes up and says, oh, wait, all these reference error markers. But I want to go down and I hit values only. And when you do that, you can go up here and you can say, oh, it all actually worked. And that is for the last 5 years. And then you can do things like change the forecasting assumptions, the valuation. This valuation comes up to $300. But again, that's based upon assuming that the sales goes up over the next few years. And there you have how to bring data in from words to datamaker, and then after datamaker, you put it into eVal. And you can save that, and I'm going to save this in my folder. I have a teaching financial statement analysis, spring 19 sessions, and I'm going to call this Apple eVal January 19, and that becomes my source. But you need to be able to bring that data in. And that's all I really have. Hope this helps.